In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create a database using MySQL Workbench software and create tables using customized database and how to create a relationship between tables in a database. So we will open the MySQL Workbench software. I have already created the ER diagram with the tables. I will show you the step for that, how to create a ER diagram. First in here I will close this ER diagram. Wait. Here to create the ER diagram we must click the file tab, new model, and here this is the model interface. Here if you want to rename the model you can rename it here and give this rename references and close this tab. Here using this we can add an ER diagram, and this one is used to create a table, and this is used to create one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship. Here identifying one-to-one relationship, identifying one-to-many relationship, and this is many-to-many relationship. Now I will show my tables which I created using the ER table. So I have saved my ER diagram model. So I will open it. Open model. So this is my Rajapaksha DB. Here where it is here, this is the requirement for the Rajapaksha DB. The owner of the Rajapaksha grocery store has decided to buy software to make his day-to-day business easier. The owner of this store has entrusted your organization to develop this software. Assume you are working as a software developer for this company and that you have been assigned to create a software database. Use Rajapaksha DB for the name in the database. So here for the database name, I have mentioned Rajapaksha DB. Here you can see Rajapaksha DB, and after that create a database table using the following data. So here I have created the customer table with the following columns: customer igno, first name, last name, gender, and contact node with the relevant lengths. And here I have created the product table with product ID, product name, and here I have created the brand table with brand ID and brand name. Here I will delete this relationship to show it to you. So here between a brand and product, what is the relationship? A brand can have many products. Under a brand, many products can be there, but a product is related only to a brand. That means here now if we say cream cracker, then it must be Munchie. Or if you say chocolate biscuit, it must be only Malibu. So here I am going to create a one-to-many relationship. Or you can say if you say Milo, it belongs to the brand Nestle. Likewise, if you say Redmi Note 8 Pro, it belongs to Xiaomi brand. So here we are going to create a one-to-many non-identifying relationship. So here product is first we select the many side product and then the one side brand. Now here a one-to-many relationship has been created. So we will move on to the next requirement. So the requirement 3, customers who come to the store can buy as many items as they like. The store owner says that all purchased items must be stored in a database with a record. Design the database accordingly. Use the ER diagram for this. So basically we need to create a relationship between customer and product. So a customer can buy many products also. A customer can buy one product also, as well as a product can be purchased by one customer. Also a product can be purchased by many customers. So here there are two situations, one to many situations. So then naturally one to many situation can't be there, so automatically it becomes a many to many relationship. So when we create a many to many relationship using this, we can create a many to many relationship. A new table is formed because when there is a many to many relationship, naturally the data won't be in the relevant tables. A new tables will be created, and we can mention this table as invoice also, because they have mentioned no, the store owner says that all purchase my items must be stored in the database with a record. So we can make this as a invoice, or we can say good receive note also. For generally I will mention as invoice, and we will make these primary keys into foreign key, because we need a primary key for this also. Because if now invoice number 1 can belong to a particular customer, invoice number 2 can belong to another customer, so we will create a invoice ID for that. Invoice ID, and give it the auto increment. Sorry, the for auto increment the data type must be int. So int, here int is given, and auto increment field with primary key and not null. Now we will move it to the up of the invoice table. Now the requirement number 3 is also completed. Now the customer can purchase many items as he wish, and it will be stored differently in the database with the records. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.